boys, welcome back in this video. Yes. Oh, come on, I did the wrong side. Yeah, that is okay. Now, we're going to build ourselves a little farm. Yeah. So what we don't have in hole? Let me just tap an X. Okay. We will just get us some stone. Come back in this video to this. Hey! What's that? What's that? Okay. Block, that is a monster trap. Okay. Oh. That's a pretty nice temple. So what you're going to put? No. Yep, so when I get that. Yeah, that is a great temple. So what in the swimming pool, I am going to swim. Woo! What's my pickaxe? There's my pickaxe. Let me get 8. Okay. So but I have to make my barn bigger. Oh my god, I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Get up! Oh. I got already 4 hearts and half. Yeah, we need to get food. So what? My health is going. We don't need food. Oh, come on. That's a Disney ad. This is a Disney Plus ad. No! No. Okay, close that. Now we're going to go in our house. Yeah. Yep. So what? And we will go in here. Yeah, we'll go to the crafting table. Ah, I wanted to get wood. What? Yeah, I wanted to get sticks. Well, there's no wood in here, but let me get spruce. Now break it, that's a little table. I don't want a table. Yeah. Yep, so what? Oh, dog! Dog! Hey, dog! Dog! Dog? Hey, dog? To come in my house? Ow! Ow! You're dog! Oh my god! How dog is this? This is what's the matter, dog? Why did you hit me? I was high-fiving you. I said I found you, my little dog. Yeah? So what? Where's my iron sword? I don't have iron sword. So what? Let me kill zombies. No, let me kill skeletons. Not zombies. Okay, go. Ah, I just got done from that skeleton. I forgot. I have to sleep. Hey, you're in my house? That's no good. Hey, back. Why is it? Are you attacking me? Come on, kill the skeleton. I need to get more dogs. Hey. I probably killed a zombie, and I got already 2 bones. I need to get my sword back, but it's all in the water. How'd I get it? Johnny, I will die again. Hey, dogs. Yes. Oh my god. My difficulty. Yes. Holy crap. That's so close. Let me go back. Get full heart. Oh my god, just all my stuff down. I need to get an axe. Underwater is so good. I will drown. I will revive drowning bubbles. Come on. I got 6. What is happening? How did I get all my stuff? I need to get a bench too. Yeah, when I'm in 6 hearts, I'll turn to becoming too hard. 6 hearts? Come on. Yes, it's 6 hearts. Get up, get up, get up. Holy crap. I need to get all my stuff. Yes, now I got all my stuff. Let me just get a difficulty into hard. Where did all the skeletons go? Difficulty is hard. Nowhere the skeletons are not coming. Oh, I found a spider. Oh god, I'm so scared. There's a skeleton in my house. Kill him, kill him. Maybe there's a creeper in my house. Let me turn difficulty into peaceful again. I have only 1 heart left. Alright. Wait. I need bow? How I didn't got a bow? Where did my bow go? Did I got arrows from that skeleton? I have only 1 heart left. 1 heart. Now it's giving me. Now it's got 2 hearts. Now it's 3 hearts. My hearts are not shaking anymore. All right. Oh my God! I'm in a little pool. Pool. Where's the dog? 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 Where's the dog? Chicken! Found you, but it died. Now I cannot get that. Oh, get out of your ugly slabs. Let me eat that chicken. More chickens. I don't want to kill you. Do you want to come in my home? I wanted to make a farm. Where's my seeds? Chicken? You want to come into my farm? One more chicken. Hey. I want you to come. Okay, found 5 chickens and we just feed them. Oh, come on. My home is my home. Okay, chicken. Just come. We're almost there, chickens. Holy crap. Chicken, we're so close. I saw my bridge. That's a cool bro. Door chapti bro. Chapti bro. Chapti bro. Hey. Come on, chickens. chickens must do that. You're going to go, yeah? And it's wow. Yeah, that's always baby chicken do. Okay, chicken? Got my shovel? Got my full shovel. Did I? Did I? No, I don't have. 8. Okay. 8. Hey, chicken. Where's one more chicken? I cannot see you. 8. Come on, chickens. There's my house. You can stay under my bridge. To a creeper explosion. Yes. Come on. Oh, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5. Please come in your home. Chicken. Come on. Alright, you just get some chickens right in here. Wait, one more chicken is missing. Chicken dinner? Wait, I didn't see that. Chicken? Did a mobile recorder see that? Hey, you can't get out. I'll make your prettiest home tutorial. Yeah, home tower. Yeah, that will be a chicken's home tutorial. Yeah, we'll get 2 stacks of sticks, but it's so quick. Holy crap, I did. Yeah, it's so quick. Come on, I have to get 32. Whoa! Yo, I got it. Okay? I don't want to do that. While do that, the captions look like Japanese are dudes. So, but let me just. Yeah? Come on. Yeah. I have 24. Let me get a lot. Holy crap. Alright, you got 64, 64, and 20. Let me just feed those chickens. Now let me just make his home. We have only 1 fence. Come on, all the way in the water. 14? Yeah, let me craft 1. Oh my god. Let me put a crafting table down here. So grab some fences to get some more fences. I don't have many ingredients. Oh my god, I'm going to drown. No! Yep. Let me get crafting table quick. When I'm in the water for a long 30 seconds, I will die. That means drowning. It's not a little bit hurt. So what we got, huh? Yeah, we got 64 and 33 chickens. I'll make a large home. Let me go in my house and sleep in the bed. Okay, chickens. We'll make our home next time. Alright, we'll make chickens home right now. So what chickens? I am coming! Okay, chickens. That's how many eggs we got? We got 1 egg. Okay? Let me get an egg. No, I have to just oh my god. Yeah. The chicken. First try. Chickens. 1 chicken spawn in first try. Got 2 more eggs. Yep, that didn't work with you. Oh my god, this baby chicken will get out. That's so close. Okay. Alright, found a place for chickens. Yup, so let me make his biggest hole ever. Found. So, but come on! Where's my axe? There it is. Okay. Let me just make his hole. How about to make ourselves a big chicken hole? We need to get some chickens in his home. Is that hole? Was that home or barn? What it means? Maybe it's a barn. Yeah, it's a barn. Yeah, we'll just make a big chicken barn and let me get our chickens. Oh, now just get some chicken. Got some chicken in our house. So what's great? Chickens, you're right. Great job, chickens. Good. And let me just craft a gray to be chickens. Can I use that? Where do I put? It's even not where I put. Okay. You got that stick. Where did I got that stick? Holy crap. How do I even get a gate? Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Go to my gate. Oh my god. Chickens. Baby chickens. That didn't work. Get my gate. Get my gate. Come on. No, that's so close. Close. Wait. Where did chicken go? Yes, he's still there. Yes. How it's even night? Chickens? More chickens? No. Okay. How would he even make babies? Oh my god. Okay. Let me just sleep. Baby chicken's gonna drown in his gate. Sometimes. Molly, get in there! Get in there! Aha, let me go in the house. And in the next episode, we'll create a sheep farm. So, but do you know where the sheep? Yeah, we will find sheep in next episode. Okay? So what? Let me sleep and make my little barn. No, a bigger barn. We will use water. So, but we'll make a little wishing well. A stone wishing well. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we have fences. We'll put fences there to make ourselves a wishing well. Cause we need more stone. Oh. Okay. Just come on. Yes. Not so much like that, okay? Stone. No, let me not put that. Oh, we have 4 more left. Let me craft a hole quick. No, that's a... Come on! What? Why? Why it doesn't give me crafted my hole? I'll get one more wood and get sticks. Okay, got sticks. What? Yes, even I can get my... Oh, okay. We'll count 21. Yup, so what? We'll bring water. Where's my bucket? There's my bucket. Let me get my dad's bucket from my wishing well. Okay. Now let's start building a farm. So, but we have enough seeds to make a biggest farm. Let me get that seeds. Okay. Here we didn't pass. Okay, I'm so excited. My chickens are swimming in my farm. We know how to get out, chickens. I don't have seeds. You can't get out. Hey, chicken. Hey, just move. There it goes, chicken. I will tell you by step for how to get out. Chicken, I'll help you get out. Great job. Yeah, I helped you, chicken. Yes, now it's getting night. Now let me sleep and find sheep. Now I'm not going but we will find a sheep. Right now. Cause we need some wheat. Let me grow wheat because I have 5 bones. Alright, now we will get some bone meals. Oh my god! I don't want to put bone meals anywhere. Yep, so but close it. And we're going to go in my farm. It's episode 5. So what we will go in my farm. Wait! Crap! What is going on? Chickens? I didn't even do that. Who is doing that? Are you jumping, chickens? To my farm? I didn't do that. How did that just happen? Did chicken jump on my soil? Holy crap! What are you doing, chickens? Okay, more babies. Oh my god, more! Super! We got already a lot of babies. Right, what is going on in my face, yes? Chickens are jumping on my farm. Okay. I put water in it. Okay. We probably have some meal. We have bone meal. Let me just go farm. Chickens, don't push me. Okay? Don't push me. bushmeat chicken. Right? Okay. Okay. So what? You don't push me. I will get some weed. Not even a glass. Oh, come on, drop the glass. Okay. You have 3, okay. Now we will find a sheep. We'll make chicken and a sheep farm. And no more. We'll find 2 sheep where they are. Let me find it. Okay, we found one. Wait! Dogs? Dogs? How did you teleport here? Dogs! I'm so excited! Okay? Okay, dogs, you come at me! I'm so excited, my little dogs! Sheep, come, sheep! 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 You must come and me, I bound you! That's so far! We will get another sheep in next episode. Dogs, how did you come there? Oh my god. Dogs, you are finally silly. That's so Dogs. We got a baby dog and 2 more dogs. Wait, holy crap. Come on. We don't need baby dog to get in there. Come on, sheep. They're doing it. Okay, it's already the sheep farm. No, chicken farm. Sheep, come. I want you, sheep. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, dog. I'm trying to feed the sheep. Dogs, dog, you're okay? Yes, you're okay. Come on. My little dog. Dog. Hey, dog. Yes, sheep. You come there. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on. Yes, he's following me. Oh, yes. Good, sheep. And come. Come to the chicken farm. Good. All right. We'll check how many dogs there right now. Okay, let me check. And how many dogs are in here? Okay, we got total 2 over here. Total 6. That's a lot. Okay, boys. We will just. Okay. We need to